Hi guys, welcome to How to with Mommy and Chell.
Hi guys!
So today we're gonna show you how to do certain things when you're starting the game. And the first thing, it's night right now, guys. So we
Yeah.
are risking our lives for you, which is perfectly okay, and we're not mad about it. But the first thing that you have to do is look for wood. Okay, so you can find a tree, any tree, and get the wood because that's the main thing. The first thing that you're supposed to do. So we're gonna get wood. Today we're gonna learn how to make a bed because
Yes.
if you don't have a bed, you really it will be impossible for you to survive at night. You have to
Yeah.
go to sleep because if you don't go to sleep, that's it. But it's okay. Um, so I already got some wood, and I'm gonna show you first how to do crafting table, okay? Because from there we're gonna do the other stuff.
Yes.
So first, the wood you have to turn it. Let me see. Turn the oak logs into planks, okay?
Oak planks.
Yes. So we do that. Well, you can use other type of planks. It doesn't have to be oak. Just any planks.
Yeah.
So to make that crafting table, we have to put one. See, so now I made a crafting table. I have to put just one on each. We take the crafting table, okay, and what happened?
I fell off a tree. My fault.
Okay, so we're gonna go up here because we also need to find a sheep and take the wool.
Yeah.
So good thing I found a sheep. If you wanna get the wool faster, you have to make a sword, but we're not learning how to do that today. So we're just gonna do try to get the wool.
It's a shear to get the wool.
Or the shear to not kill them. But we don't have any of that because we just started the game. So Chell, take care of this one. I'll take care of this one.
No, I don't want to kill
Okay, guys, I'm sorry you have to see this, but we have to get their wool to be able to make a bed.
Oh, there's a zombie after me.
Ah, where are you?
We need one more wool.
Okay,
Guys,
I have one. So we need three. So you have to look for 3 sheeps.
3.
Do you see another one, Chell?
Wait. Yeah, over here.
Oh, where? Ah! So yeah, try to do this during the day because if you do it at night like we are, you are going to see a lot of dangers, and that's not what we want.
I'm about
Okay.
to die.
Okay, Chelsea's dead. But that's fine. We are still here. So we need to make the bed because we need to go to sleep so we don't. Ah! I have to do this fast! What is happening? Come on, Jay! Ew, where did it go? Okay, I'm in so much danger, guys. I only have 1 heart now, so that means I'm gonna die any minute. If. Ow! And I'm dead.
So my mom was shot by a skeleton and I was eaten by a zombie.
Okay, so we're gonna go back. Oopsie. So I can easily go back to my latest death, but not everybody can.
I'm trying to run away. Really.
Ow!
Guys, do this in the day because in the night it's
Seriously, so difficult. Did you get that other sheepskin, Chelsea?
No, I only have one.
Okay, so we're gonna go back and try to get her.
At least.
Okay, we got it. Got it. Let's run away.
So you.
This is so difficult. I'm serious, but it's okay. We're gonna show you guys how to make a bed, okay? So we will show you no matter what.
Yeah, and anyway, it's almost day.
Chill, where are you?
I'm running away from these.
Okay, if I go back to my latest death, okay, I'm just gonna go back. I need to get my stuff.
I died when my mom came.
Okay, I see Chill right there. Okay. Ah!
Guys, go subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe, guys. So it's almost day, and we're gonna be able to make our own. But for now we have to run away. How crazy is this? Can you guys believe it? Let's see.
To keep spawning.
Where are you? Oh, I see you. Okay, I see Chelsea getting her body, but we are ready to make a bed, guys. Now we just have to get away. Ah! You guys, how many are following me? How crazy! No! Guys, do you guys realize how much trouble we're going through to show you guys how to make beds? But that's fine. So just go like and subscribe.
I'm looking at the sunset.
Okay, so it's day. Chell, come down here.
I'm killing a sheep.
Come bring me. Oh no, I have to go back to my latest there.
Again, guys.
Yeah, I had to get the stuff. If I don't go back. Ah! Yo, what's wrong with you? So they die in the day. So we just have to wait for that day to come.
Skeletons burn in the day.
Ah!
But
Now they're burning me.
Yeah, creepers stay alive actually.
Do they? Oh, that's interesting. You learn something new every day.
Yeah.
So, okay, guys, we're going to show you. Wait, Chell, I need you to bring the wool to me.
I only have 2.
I need 1 only. But, oh, yeah, guys. So, something else. You have different color beds. So, to get different colors, you have to get, like, different flowers.
Yeah.
So, this one makes yellow. And if you want a yellow bed or if you want
a blue bed,
yeah,
you just need to put the flower inside the crafting table and only put 1.
Yeah, I'll show you how to. So this makes red and so on. You know, you have to pick it up and get. Let's make a red bed today. Yeah. So this is what you have to do, guys. You have to get 1 flower, so the color you want, and you get red dye. Yes. You see? So when that happens, you can bring it. You can get it as much as you want. So now we're gonna put the crafting table down. Where are you, crafting table? Right here. I have a lot of not useful things in my. Come down here, Cello. Are you? I feel
no
alone.
idea where you are.
Okay, so to make Cello, I need the other wool.
I died.
Okay, guys. So I don't have enough wool because Chelsea has it. Wait, let me share my 1 second. So go to your old death. Okay, guys. 1 second. I need to share
the
this.
The only waypoint I have is my base.
Now, let's just name whatever so Chill can know. So, I'm gonna share it with Chill so she can come here. So, wait, don't jump. Just teleport. I already sent it to you. You're gonna die again.
I'm getting my body.
Why don't you just go to your latest death?
Because the only waypoint I have is my base.
What? That doesn't make sense. Okay, so guys, we're gonna wait for Chell to come here. But look, I see other type of flowers. Let me just. So, anyways, what I'm trying to say is that you can get any flower just to get the color that you want for your bed. I see another kind over there that looks like light pink.
I think I lost my body.
Teleport to your latest death.
I don't have my latest death.
Okay, so we are having technical difficulties. That means Chelsea cannot find her body.
I found my body. You just said we had technical difficulties, and I found my body.
Okay, I'm still waiting here. Are you almost coming?
No, so I'm climbing up this mountain.
Okay, I'm just gonna put a chest here because I have so much stuff that I do not need, like this stuff. There.
Guys,
so I'm gonna
build a chest.
Yeah. Chest is very important. Let me tell you how to do that since Chell is not here. To make a chest is super easy, guys. You just have to put whatever planks. Okay, so remember how to make planks. You have to get a log. Let me show you again. So you.
Hi.
Hey, Chell. So to make a plank, you have to you have to get a log, and then it becomes planks. But to do that, you have to put it.
8.
Yeah, so you have to get more than 1, of course. You have to get 2, okay? So you're able to do this. So now I already have my planks, but I have to put 1. Oopsie. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. And that makes a chest.
Yes.
Super easy peasy. So okay, Chell is here. Give me. Okay, you already gave me the wool. Okay, guys. So I said that we're gonna make
a bed.
We're gonna make a red bed. Okay, so to do that, you have to put the dye, whatever dye you wanna use, with the wool. So you see what I did? I put them together, and then you get the red wool. So now you get it. I just need 3, so I'm just gonna make 3. So I'm gonna put this back here.
Guys, this video is for the beginners of Minecraft.
Yeah. So now you put the wool here, the red wool, and planks. Okay. So remember how to make planks from a log, and then they become planks. So you also have to put them right here. See. So now we made a red bed.
Yeah.
And there's different colors, as you can see right here. To my right and your right, you can get a white, orange, magenta, light blue, yellow bed, purple bed, cyan bed, light gray, gray, pink, lime, blue,
Blue,
brown,
and
green.
red, and black.
Yeah, so you can choose, and then of course you have to get the color and so on. But for now, this is it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep showing you how-to videos. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, let me turn around. Oh my goodness, I didn't know I looked like this. Why you didn't tell me, Chael?
I didn't even notice either.
Okay. Bye, guys.